four-wheel driving and adventure. This is what this channel is all about. We share many of our adventures from all kinds of locations and terrain. We also have how-to videos and tip videos about anything off-road and camping to help assist you get out there yourself. We do our best to upload a new video every Sunday, and we also have a website covering everything camping and four-wheel driving. I'm Ronnie from Four Wheeling in Western Australia. If you like what you see, please subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.